Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your AWS account, admin IAM user, and MFA are ready. This prevents permission roadblocks later. Install and configure AWS CLI, then add Xtel and Kubectl so you can control the cluster. Once done, run Xtel to create a cluster and VPC automatically. This command provisions control plane and defaults for networking. Make sure you set the desired region and name. After Xtel finishes, verify kubeconfig is updated, so Kubectl can talk to the new control plane. Now you configure the worker tier and cluster networking. Choose managed node groups for simplicity or self-managed nodes for customization, and pick instance types based on load. Create and attach the proper IAM role to workers so they can register with the control plane, then adjust security group rules to allow API and kubelet traffic. Once nodes register, install the AWS VPC CNI to enable pod networking. Also, install Helm so you can deploy add-ons and observability tools quickly. This helps when you scale or add services. Finish by validating cluster health. Use Kubectl to list nodes and all pods. Every core component should show ready. Deploy a simple Nginx or demo workload, expose it via a load balancer service, and configure horizontal pod autoscaler plus cluster autoscaler to manage capacity. Once stable, hook up CloudWatch Container Insights or Prometheus for metrics and set alerts. If something goes wrong, check IAM permissions first. A common issue is missing node role policies. So compare the node IAM policy to Xtel's generated template and fix any discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.